Hey, welcome back to another video of how to use basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to unarchive your accounts in Green Crypto Wallet application. First of all, find and open Green Crypto application on your device. Now, enter your PIN here to get access to your wallets. After that, go to the Settings tab, which is at the top right corner of your screen. Now, you will get Wallet Preferences option here. Go to the Accounts tab and find View Archived Wallets button and click on it. You will see all of your archived wallets here. Click on the three dots which is at the right side of each wallet. Click on the wallet you want to unarchive and you will see an Unarchive button. Click on it to unarchive it. You can do the same for every wallet here. Now go back to the home page and you can see that all of the wallet has been unarchived. So that is how you can unarchive your account in Green Crypto Wallet application. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.